Okay, everybody. I apologize for getting this out a little bit late. The town that we live in outside of Metro Phoenix is having some major resurfacing done, and as you can imagine, with only 2 lanes on both sides of the road, it can get a little bit packed there when you have 45,000 people all trying to get into town at the same time. There's one trade that I'm looking at. It's a long trade at 2.0385. And that's quite a ways away from where the market is now, but that's for one major reason. You have this parabolic move here where the market just came up, got sold off again. I think if the market can break above or can get up here to 85, you're going to see it try and break through 400. I just think that on the third try, this area is going to break. We're probably going to see a run up to this 490 level here. So you can see maybe 100 points or 80 points. The risk is actually pretty close. I'm looking at an even 30 pip stop. There's really just not a lot of good places to stop out. You've got a high here, congestion here, and a low here, all of which are very, very close to the action. Let me go ahead and measure this out for you. So, an entry at 85 is going to be right about in here. You can see that's right at this level. This level is about 28 pips away. These highs here are around 60 pips away. So I'm basically splitting the difference, getting into this area here. But again, this is going to be a pure momentum play. If somebody were nervous at all, this is not a trade for the faint at heart, because it's very likely, unless the market can really pick up in the London session, that if the market comes up here, it's going to expend all of its energy pushing into this level, and it's not going to have a whole lot to get through there. The best thing to happen would be a push up, a significant retracement down, and then a secondary push. This action here would give legs, if you will, for a market push back up. That's really what I see as the best opportunity for a move, very similar to what the market did back here. You can see it pushed up initially, retraced, came up, retraced a little bit more, and then had its last little push through. So if we see that, you can bet that the market is probably going to continue again up into this, not 490, I'm sorry, right into about the 480 level. Sorry for that. My boys haven't seen me for most of the afternoon, so they're pushing to get into the office. I'm going to cut this short. I'm not going to try and overanalyze the market. I don't like what I see as far as set and forget types of trades. I definitely like if you're awake and you're looking for a trade, I definitely think if the market comes under pressure between 2 and 4 a.m. Eastern time, you're going to have a good chance for the market to break out down there. Just keep your eye on big volume spikes. If you start to see big volume spikes anywhere in this area here, you're going to want to think about getting out of the way, because the market's more than likely going to reverse on you. That started to come in as the market was moving down here. You can see the market pushed down, big volume spike, and then the market pushed up. This was news related, though. The market came down and then shot its way back up. Anyway, that's enough for now. I'll talk to everybody again tomorrow.